This is the video guide about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension called Dragon Search Solutions. Dragon Search Solutions is a junk extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The trouble with this extension is that it functions as a typical browser hijacker because it may change your default search engine without your permission or approval. If you have found this Dragon Search Solutions extension as a part of your Google Chrome browser, definitely you need to undertake the measures and get rid of this extension. Otherwise, your default search engine would be hijacked. So, to fix your browser manually, access the menu, go to Extensions, choose Manage Extensions, and remove this junk extension. I also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then start investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.